In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove bullet points in a PowerPoint presentation quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want to clean up your slides, make your content look more professional, or simply turn a bulleted list into plain text without reformatting everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the bullet points you want to remove. Now click and drag to select the text with the bullets. You want to make sure the bulleted text is highlighted because the next step will only apply to the selected content. Once your text is selected, look at the top of PowerPoint and click the Home tab. This is where most of the basic text formatting tools are located, including font settings, alignment, and bullet options. Under the Home tab, find the Bullets button. It usually looks like a small icon with dots and lines or a bullet point symbol. Click that bullets icon and PowerPoint will remove the bullet points from the selected text immediately. Your text will stay on the slide, but the bullets will disappear, leaving you with a clean, plain list instead. If the formatting doesn't change right away, just make sure the correct text is still selected and click the bullets button again. And that's it. You've successfully removed bullet points in PowerPoint. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in how polished your presentation looks. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint shortcuts, presentation tips, and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.